Hey guys, here's a quick tip on how to hide slides that you're not ready for your students to work on yet. So this is an early finisher, so this would be presented on my board. And let's just say we're not doing time to the half hour yet. So I can actually go in and select the ones that are doing time to the half hour. And then once I select them all, I can do right click and I can do skip slides. And so now when I go into present, and I present this Google slide, it's only going to show the slides that I want it to show. I didn't select that one. Okay, and so then if I want to, let's say now my students know time to the half hour, I can go back in and I can uncheck skip slides, and now all of those slides they'll be able to see again. Hope that helped.